We have 7 more RV secrets that you should know.
RV secrets that some people don't want you to know.
People don't want us to tell you.
I'm Tom.
And I'm Cherie.
And this is EnjoyTheJourney.Life.
We sold everything to travel full time.
And our channel is all about RV living and traveling and how you can do it on the cheap.
So we're coming to you today from Folly Beach, and here you can see Morris Island Lighthouse. It's a historical lighthouse.
And we're near Charleston, South Carolina.
Yep, we could probably see it in the distance.
Kind of home for you.
Yep, this is one of my homes, so it's nice to be here. It's a little overcast today, but that's fine.
And can we talk about Beach Tribe?
Oh.
How happy is the Beach Tribe right now?
Yay, and Beach Tribe is winning, by the way, if you haven't noticed. I've got my Beach Tribe shirt on. He's got his Mountain Tribe shirt on.
Taking a little break from the mountains here for a little bit this winter.
Beach Tribe. And thank you, Beach Tribe. That's my tribe. Ordering your shirts. I really like it in the gray. Somebody recently got the dark gray. I think I'm going to have to get one in that color.
Come on, Mountain Tribe. Let's go. We need to catch up here and overtake the Beach Tribe.
Nah. We're number 1. Peace. So let's get into what we're talking about today.
We've got RV secrets that you need to know. If you're brand new to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
And ring that bell so you get notified.
And if you want to see our other RV secrets video, we will link to that down below in the description.
Right, so we ended up having so many comments of other secrets, and then there's other things we have that we know that people don't want us to tell you.
We found out later, or things that we left out of the first video. We're gonna share that with you right now.
So we have discovered some other places that you can park overnight.
Totally. Places like Food Lion.
Right.
Parked at a Food Lion here in Summerville, South Carolina, and I stayed here alone, freezing, trying to stay warm, while Cherie stayed with her mom. And Lowe's.
Right.
Planet Fitness. At Planet Fitness, and we're not the only RV here. Actually got another one over there and one over there as well. And those are all places that we have actually stayed at.
Yep.
And Big Lots was a possibility.
They gave us permission to do it.
They did, but it looked a little sketchy.
So we decided not to.
Yeah, we went over to Lowe's, and all you have to do is just simply ask.
And these are places really that we don't stay typically, but when we're in between travel destinations, sometimes it's have nice easy pull in, a place to park quickly for a sleep, and then being on your way. The Big Lots one actually is where we had a breakdown. So we did go in and talk to them and say, hey, you know, can we stay overnight? Because we were in a fix.
And if you ask and just say it's just for overnight, you're between camp spots, I mean, most likely a nice person is going to say okay, even if they don't really have the authority, because we know the person in the store may not actually know what the local regulations are.
Right.
But at least you have that to lean on if you get questioned.
Right. There may be a city ordinance or something that they may not know about, but it always helps to ask, and then, you always have that as a backup.
And bottom line, be safe. If it looks sketchy, like it's not somewhere you really want to stay, maybe keep looking, because there are a few sketchy places out there.
And it's not our preference to use these places, but in a pinch, it's good to know that you have these places available.
So this is a secret that I have found out over the years, and some people definitely don't want me to be sharing this one. It's about how to get into a campground after dark and it looks like it's locked up.
Now, not all of these do this, but we have discovered a couple campgrounds that this is what they do, and it's been so good to know this.
Right, and the reason I need to mention it is because the second campground did not tell us the system, and I had to guess at it and remember that it had happened before, and simply what looks like a locked gate may not be a locked gate. Walk up to the gate and carefully inspect the locking mechanism. It's like a faux lock. There's a locked chain there, but what happens is the chain is just looped around a pole. Basically, the chain is just loosely attached, so you can simply remove it without unlocking the lock. Or like it will be a gate with a chain around it. You just unloop it, pull your RV in if you're coming in after hours, or your car, for example, and then just repeat the steps so it looks like it's locked for everybody else overnight.
For security purposes.
It is for security purposes.
Right.
And we are only sharing this so that you don't feel like you're locked out and have to call the campground after hours or have to walk a half a mile to your campsite. That's why we're sharing it, because we were not told this on our last stay that we just ran into this issue.
Right, and we just randomly thought, well, let's check it, because there was a sign saying if you come in after hours, which was like 10 o'clock, I can't remember the time, but it was fairly early. And if you're going out to dinner and then maybe stay out with some friends or whatever, 10 o'clock's early. But it does say to park and walk from that point, which this one was kind of far. So we're like, we don't want to leave our car out here.
Right, I think we had a lot of groceries too to bring in.
That's right, we sure did. Yes, so just check it. You never know, they could really lock it, like legit lock it, but you don't know unless you try. All right, why don't we talk about the 1,000 Trails hack? That's a great one.
Right, this is from one of our viewers, Mark, that shared this. If you show up at 1,000 Trails and presumably an Encore RV resort, and it's booked online, or if you called and it's booked but you need a place to stay, you can often check with the office there and they will have some spots available for you that are not officially open. That is a great tip, Mark.
Yeah, thank you for sharing that with us, Mark.
So we have a few secrets that we've been asked not to share publicly, or if we did, the benefit would get ruined from too many people doing it.
Right, we want to keep it on the low.
And if you're really interested in that, you can click the join button down below.
All right, this is a great one. I wish I had known from the beginning. So RV windows, the ones that you turn the knob, handle, whatever, it has like a turning mechanism, and then the windows kind of go out. I don't know, maybe that far? Is that about right?
Right.
Yeah, so they're really hard to do. They feel like they're stuck and it's just a struggle to open them. But I learned that if you just turn it a little bit, then it like becomes unstuck. The seal like opens up, the vacuum suction, I don't know what it is.
Right.
But give it a second, it'll pop a little bit and then you can easily open the window.
It creates that pressure when you put that on there, and just you can listen to it, all of a sudden you'll hear it like pop.
Yeah, all those times that I was struggling with these windows and cussing that knob.
Right, a simple thing, but especially if you leave your RV stored for a long time, all the weather can make it stick to the seal. Right. And that has been definitely an issue we've had in the Columbus.
So that's a hack to break that seal.
There you go.
Yay. Let's talk about the secret storage.
Right, more secret storage spots. This is from Lisa and also Dakota, both mentioned this. It's hidden storage underneath the steps inside of your RV.
Now, not all RVs have this.
Right, we do not have that.
We don't.
But
we wish we did.
It's in some motorhomes, according to Lisa, but Dakota also says it's in some fifth wheels, Jayco, I believe. So basically, go up to your steps and just give a little lift.
And see if they open up. I think it would be a perfect place to put shoes. Oh, look. This one has the storage right here.
Oh, you found it.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Space for shoes.
And any valuables you might want to put down in there.
Secret hiding spots.
Oh, it would. That would be really awesome if we had that.
Yes,
ability.
It would. There's other storage too that we want to talk about, secret storage. Some are under dressers, just that top level lifts up and there's like secret storage under there.
Yes.
And also the kitchen table.
The kitchen table.
We forgot about that one last time.
Right. Basically, lift up on the kitchen table and there's often a little storage area in there. Perfect for placemats, games. And here's another RV secret hidden space right here. We forgot to tell you in the first video. Right here at the kitchen table. A secret hiding spot or secret storage. And somebody else actually pointed out that CHERI'S
sometimes will have a
right,
little
the seat
storage.
will lift up, right? Yep.
Right.
Check spaces that you would not expect.
Definitely. And some people have made comments like, well, don't you figure this stuff out when you buy the RV? And no.
Even the salespeople don't know about this stuff sometimes.
Yeah, the salespeople are not experts in the particular RV, or I should say many of them are not experts.
Right.
And they know just enough to be able to sell you that RV. So you got to figure out a lot of this on your own.
On your own, yes.
And if you have more secret storage places, please let us know in the comments.
Share them with us.
And probably our most commented on secret from the last video is about RV refrigerators and keeping them cool. It turns out that a lot of people have this issue.
It must be a really common problem for RVers.
Totally. And a couple of more things that you can do is they actually sell 12-volt fans that you can attach to the outside vents in your RV. As you may recall in the last video, if you didn't see that video, you can again find the link in the description below to check that out. We just put simple battery-powered fans down there, USB powered fans in the vent and inside of the refrigerator. But you can actually buy special units, which we will link down below in the description as well on Amazon. We have not tried these. We're basically going on the recommendation from viewers.
From other RVers, yes.
Right, there's something called a blue cube as well that you can do. And some people had really good luck by actually painting the outside vent. They're black.
Right,
you
so
know?
it absorbs heat.
Yeah, paint it white or off-white.
Right, and some people also recommended something reflective that you could put over it.
Right, that reflective solar shade that some people put in their cars to basically keep the heat off as well.
Right.
And we'll put a link down below to some of that material, but definitely kind of a MacGyverism or kind of like an RV hack.
A hack. And somebody also had another suggestion. It's pretty simple. It's like freezing bottles of water and then just rotating them, like having some in the freezer, some in the fridge, and then just rotating them as they freeze to kind of keep everything cold. And usually this is just an extreme heat that this is a problem.
Right, and somebody mentioned that people do expect a refrigerator in an RV to work the same as a residential refrigerator in your house or apartment does, and that is not the case.
Not the case.
Unless you have a residential refrigerator in your RV, then you're probably good to go.
Right.
We don't have that, and I think the majority of RVers do not have that.
Right.
So again, if you are brand new to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that little bell. That way you're notified when we release a brand new video. So how many of these were RV secrets to you?
And if you have any RV secrets that we haven't mentioned or that we don't know about, please share them with us.
Right, and share with the rest of the RV community. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to share it with your RV friends.
And if you want to know more up-to-date information about where we are, where we're going to be doing meetups, be sure to join our memberships. Be part of our community. We would love to have you in there. Thanks for watching, guys.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Hair look like? I'm so afraid.
Oh, don't get out of your spot.
It's marked. My spot's marked. I have it dug into the sand.
You're kind of blocking the lighthouse though now.
Am I?
No, there's good.
Is my hair blocking the lighthouse now?
Yeah. So if you... Blah, blah, blah.
The order.
Oh, did you see him?
I saw him go back in.
That's a big crab.
Oh my gosh. Did he just like build that recently? Because it's like everything's all kicked up, like fresh. He's probably this guy, and we scared him off, and he went over there and built a new hole.
This one's tiny, tiny. That one's a lot bigger.
Oh, I didn't see this one.
All these little creatures crawling all around.
Crab. Is that the sun?
Yeah. The sun looks like the moon behind all the clouds.
Oh my gosh, you can barely see it. All right.
I wish you could zoom in there with birds flying around.
He's just riding the wind. Are you recording?
Trying to. That.
You want that.
That's funny.
I'm sorry for what I said when we were parking the camper.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. Seven years now on this boat.